Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in today's video we're going to be talking about stupid shit people say. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea and let us get into the video. So ladies and gents, how are we all doing? I hope you're doing well. As you can see, you joined me on a rather chilly November evening, just out on the bike after finishing work. And fuck me, it's cold, but that will not stop me from doing what I do and doing what I love, which is making videos for you lovely people. So the video comes about as a result of some absolute belters that some customers have actually said to me and questions that have been asked at my work. And I'm going to go through a couple of them with you today, so you guys can have a bit of a laugh on what is turning out to be, you know, the end of a pretty shit year for most people. So let us begin. Now, as you guys know, I work in the motorcycle industry and I sell motorcycle equipment like helmets, gloves, boots, jackets, trousers and so on. Oh, excuse me. And what else would you think that people come into my work asking for? I'll give that question a second to sink in before I explain why I've asked it.
A few moments later.
Now, the reason why I've asked that particular question is, again, pretty self-explanatory. With working in a motorcycle shop, you'd expect us to sell motorcycle equipment. Oh no, oh no, no. Some of the questions that we've had asked at my work have been confusing, mind-blowing, and just downright fucking stupid. One of these said questions is, do you sell air fresheners for cars? No, we do not sell air fresheners for fucking cars. Oh, why not? My friend, do we look like a fucking Halfords to you? Second stupid question. Do we sell bicycle helmets? Again, no. But it's I'm not being funny, but when you go into a motorcycle shop, the last thing you are going to find is a push bike helmet or bicycle helmet, whatever you want to call it. You are not going to find one of those helmets in my place of work. You're not going to find air fresheners in my work. I have also had people come into my work asking if we sell airbeds. No, again, we do not sell airbags. We are not a fucking camping shop. Goodbye. Another question we keep getting asked is, where can I get number plates printed? Now again, I understand people might think because we're a motorcycle shop we make number plates. No, we do not. Never have done, never will do. See you later. We also had some lady come in quite a while ago now, but come in asking us to build a tower fan for her. And again, we're not a Curry's PC World, madam. We do not do those sort of things here. Another question we had not too long ago was, do we sell tent pegs? And again, that question was answered with a emphatic no. We do not sell tent pegs. Do we look like a mountaineering shop? Do we look like a camping shop to you? I don't think so. But yet again, people come in asking these fucking stupid questions. I'm not being funny, but you have these things here in your head called eyes. You have something up here called a brain. Why on earth would you come into a motorcycle shop asking for fucking air fresheners? You know, there's a lot of strange things that get asked for in my work. You know, do we sell ultralight flip front helmets? Okay, that's a bit of a dim question, but it's still a question that needs answering. And again, 9 times out of 10 the answer to that question is no. But when someone comes into my place of work asking if we sell air fresheners for cars, you, my friend, are 100% a fucking idiot. There's absolutely no way on God's green earth are you going to find fucking air fresheners in a motorcycle shop. It doesn't happen. It doesn't exist. Well, obviously the air fresheners do exist, but they do not exist as far as the motorcycle industry goes. So to have someone come in and say, do you sell air fresheners for cars? You, sir, are a fucking idiot. And when we've had people coming in asking for bicycle helmets, again, the giveaway in the name of where I work, right? It says motorcycle clothing and accessories. Take note of the beginning of that sentence. Motorcycle clothing and accessories. Not motorcycle, car, and fucking push bikes. And it beggars belief, it really does. We've actually had people come into my work and ask those very questions and then get upset when we say no, we don't do them. And the biggest insult to us as the retailer and as obviously as the staff, if we don't sell what you're looking for, don't have a go at us. It ain't our fault. And just going back to people getting butthurt over certain things, I kid you not, I had a customer come in probably about 3 or 4 days ago now, and he comes in, he goes, oh, I'm looking for a push bike helmet. What? Do you sell bicycle helmets? No, we don't. Why not? Because we're a motorcycle shop. Why the actual fuck would we sell push bike helmets in a motorcycle shop? May I ask? The actual audacity of some people who actually get butthurt over it and get really, really offended. It's fucking hilarious. It's like, what? Because we don't sell what you're looking for, that's our fault? No, it's not our fault. If we don't do what you're looking for, you've come into the wrong shop. You know, there's such a thing called the internet. Try using it. There's a little search engine. I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's quite well known. Begins with a G. It's called fucking Google. I think maybe 98% of the world's population these days, or I should say the civilized world, has a phone. Or knows someone that has a phone, that has internet or data or whatever, or credit so you can go online. Try using it. And I know social media can be a scary place, and I know the internet can be a scary place as well, because you never quite know what you're going to get. But the fact is, if you don't go looking for it, you're never going to find it. If you don't put in the research and you don't put in the time or the effort, you're not going to find what you're looking for. And that's the same with anything. You know, researching for school projects, researching for a business project, researching, you know, doing your research for parts for a motorcycle or a car, or you know, any of those kind of things. You need to do the fucking research. So therefore, you need to go online. You need to use the internet. You need to use your fucking brains. Unfortunately, people don't. And it's just ironic that these particular people are the fucking idiots that come into my work. And I'm not being funny, but you know, my 75-year-old mother knows how to use the internet. Well, she knows how to use a phone on the internet anyway. My 64-year-old dad knows how to use the internet on a laptop or a PC or on his phone. My 10-year-old stepdaughter can use the internet better than most teenagers that I've come across. But it really doesn't excuse the fact that people are that fucking ignorant or that stupid or that lazy, for that matter, to put in the effort. And I do apologise about the wind, ladies and gentlemen. As you obviously can tell, we are in the midst of winter, so it's a bit chilly, it's a little bit windy, but we are pushing on nonetheless. Oh, they nearly ended badly. Oh, I hate London streets. They're so badly maintained. Where are you going now, you bellend? That's right, you're going to nose up my ride home. That's what you're going to do. But quite literally, the actual stupidity of people today, it's like society has literally gone to pot. Asking the most simple, basic questions. Do you have this? Do you have that? Do you not think to think before you ask those questions? Like, just going back to the questions about the fucking car air fresheners or bicycle helmets. And the most mind-boggling thing is that these people come into my place of work, look around, and then ask these fucking retarded questions. It's like, do you not think that when you're walking around a motorcycle accessory shop, and again, the clue is in the fucking name, a motorcycle accessory shop, that you would think to yourselves, okay, I'm clearly in the wrong place, so maybe I should go looking elsewhere. Oh no, ladies and gents, oh fucking no. These sorts of people are that fucking stupid to literally come into my place of work, walk around, and still ask these fucking stupid questions. You can see, as soon as you walk into my place of business, you can see that there's no bicycle parts, there's no fucking camping equipment, there's no car parts, there's no car logos anywhere in the building, there's nothing like that. I mean, can we just clear one thing up first and foremost? My place of work is a motorcycle clothing and accessories shop. Nothing more, nothing less, right? So we don't sell car air fresheners, we don't sell bicycle helmets or bicycles or bicycle parts, we do not sell fucking camping equipment, we do not sell ovens, stoves, radios or fucking airbeds. I mean, it's not like you're walking into a room that's got all the fucking lights off, do you know what I mean? And I'll say it again, my place of work never has, never will do, sell the following items. As a motorcycle shop, we do not sell car air fresheners, we do not sell push bikes, we do not sell push bike equipment, we do not sell bicycle helmets, we do not sell fridges, freezers, ovens, beds, airbeds or fucking tower fans. But yet we still get people coming in asking those sorts of questions. And I'm sorry, ladies and gents, that this has turned into a bit of a rant. I don't mean it to, but when you get people who are clearly that fucking clueless, they come into my work or come into any place of business for that matter, and you can clearly tell that they've come into the wrong shop. You know, you can see it a mile off. You know, someone walks in with a push bike and they've walked into a fucking Mercedes dealership, for example, and then they've gone up to the salesperson and gone, oh yeah, I've got this push bike, do you sell tyres for it? Get the fuck out of here. I do not understand how stupid some people can be. And I know there's obviously varying degrees of intelligence within people, you know, men, women, boys, girls, young, old, whatever. I get that. I understand that there's various levels of intelligence within the human race. But as a species, why do we breed such fucking stupid people? You've heard the phrase, the blind leading the blind, yeah? Well, in this instance, it's a stupid talking stupid. And I don't know how much more I can make this more plain and simple, ladies and gents. For the people that don't know, I work in a motorcycle shop which sells helmets, jackets, boots, gloves, trousers and other random accessories for the rider. But yeah, we get people coming in asking about stupid shit like air fresheners, bicycle helmets, pushback parts, fridge freezers, ovens, tables, chairs, tower fans, tents, airbeds or fucking water beds. And so I don't know how many times you can say the same thing to people. So I kid you not, we have this one particular guy that comes in once every so often, and he came in yesterday and he asked us to inspect a go-karting helmet, which must have been the best part of 15 years old. I mean, I'd never seen the helmet before. It was apparently a company called Sparco. I mean, I'm guessing people know that brand. I don't fucking know. But he brings a go-karting helmet into a motorcycle shop. Again, he knows it's a motorcycle shop because he's been in before, asking if we can have a look at this helmet for him. It's like, dude, we are a motorcycle shop. We don't deal with go-kart stuff. We don't deal with karting stuff in general. We don't deal with anything like that. So the fact that you know this and you still come in and asked us if we deal with these things, it just shows the level of fucking stupidity with some people. And you couldn't even make the excuse for him that, you know, he was, you know, mentally disabled, or he was just a bit old, or, you know, a bit hard of learning or whatever. This geezer knew that he knew what we do. He knows what we sell. He's bought visors and helmets and stuff like that from us in the past. So how he thinks we've instantly branched out into fucking go-kart helmets is beyond me. I don't understand it, I don't get it, but hey, it is what it is. But ladies and gents, I do apologise that this video has turned into a bit of a rant about stupid people and stupid shit that they say. I do apologise. If you do get anything out of this video, whether it be information or a bit of a laugh, or if it just cheers you up after having a really bad day, please feel free to smash the like button. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to click the like button, ring the bell. If you aren't already, consider subscribing. It'd be great to have you on board. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, your support is greatly appreciated. Always has been, always will be. I love having you guys along for the ride. Immensely proud of what I've achieved so far with the channel. We've managed to get to just over 7,200 subs, I believe it is, or around that kind of mark. So we're slowly creeping up to the 10,000 I want to hit by Christmas. And if you want to be part of that, and you want to be part of the giveaway that I'm hoping to do when we hit the 10,000 subs, then all you got to do is in the comments below, type the phrase #giveaway, and the more people that quote the hashtag, the more I will be tempted to do the giveaway. Naturally, if only one person does it, then it's not really much of a giveaway, is it really? So that's kind of my plan for the Christmas. So if you want to be part of that giveaway, then make sure to like this video and comment the hashtag giveaway. And like I say, guys, having you on board, it is immensely humbling for me. The 7,000 strong that I've currently got, you know, you guys are the OGs on the channel. So thank you for being there, thank you for being part of the journey so far with me. It means a lot. And also, please feel free to let me know what you think about the two camera setup. Like, for example, the one on my face and the one on my mirror. Is that the kind of thing that you guys like seeing, or is there another angle that you prefer to see? Obviously nothing too drastic, because I've only got 3 cameras at the moment, and I'm still debating as to whether or not I want to get the Hero 10 Black. So if you've got any comments or any experience on that as a motovlogger, if you are one that is, please feel free to, again, put your comments and thoughts in the comments box down below. It'd be great to get your guys' feedback as to whether or not it's a good investment or a bad investment to get the Hero 10. As you guys may or may not know, I'm currently using the Hero 7, which I've not had any issues with since the day I bought it. So do you think I should just stick with what I've got, or try and look at the Hero 10 and see what sort of deals I can get? Also, just a little bit of World Superbike news. The season is now over, and the new World Superbike champion for 2021 is Pata Yamaha's Toprak Razgatlioglu. So congrats to him, he deserves it. I believe he's the first Turkish rider to win a World Superbike title. I know we've had Kenan Sofuoglu win the World Supersport title, but I think Toprak is the first Turkish rider to win the World Superbike title. Also, it's the end of an era. Valentino Rossi is finally retired. He had his last race at Valencia the weekend just gone, which, if I remember rightly, was like the 13th and 14th of November. And by all accounts, it was quite emotional. There were some emotional scenes within the MotoGP paddock. Also, ladies and gents, in the upcoming weeks, I will be putting together a compilation video of all my random comments, outbursts, and general brain fartery. So keep an eye out for that if that's something that interests you. And like I say, ladies and gentlemen, without you, my channel wouldn't be where it is. So I appreciate all the love and support that you guys give me. It means a lot. And like I say, ladies and gents, if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to tap the like button, ring the bell, so you're kept up to date with all notifications. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It'd be great to have you on board. But once again, ladies and gents, you guys have been absolutely awesome. I have been Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the roads, be safe, be happy, look after your family and friends. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, adios!